Oh, hi there. I'm just trying to put together this little pea life cycle puzzle. I've got 6 parts to it. I've got the pea, the flower, the pea pod, the pea with a little shoot and a root coming down, the extended flower, and I think that's the little root coming out of the pea seed. Let's see if I can put it into order. Right, that goes there. That one will go there. Oh, I got it. It's pretty amazing. There's so many different stages within the life cycle of a pea, from the pea seed when you plant it to then when it grows. I wonder what it would look like growing in the actual soil. Oh look, you can see the little seeds there and the shoots coming out. They're growing taller and taller. And look, now the leaves are coming and those tendrils, they're looking for somewhere to grasp onto, just like Zez's foodie tale where he had cones. They're swaying around as they get stronger and taller. It's so beautiful. How amazing. And look, then the pea flower will pop out, and that's where the bees will come to pollinate the flowers. Oh, you can see in this one where the snow pea's coming out, that's the flower above it where it would have withered away. The snow pea grows out from where the flower actually is. And here we are. Pick! Oh, yum. Those peas look delicious. I actually have some snow peas here, still attached to the vine. You can see where the leaves are and the little tendrils that were growing out looking for something to cling on to. And look, just here above the snow pea, we saw that also. That's where the flower would have been. And now the snow pea's growing out of that where the flower was, and it's withered away. I wonder, would you like to plant your own pea and see it grow into a plant? Remember what Zez's mum Lou said in the foodie tale? What we need to grow something? We need some dirt, some water, some sunshine, and a little love. We also need some seeds. I've got some here. I've also got a little egg carton that I can use to put the dirt in. Put some dirt into each area. All the way in. 6 little holes here for 6 little seeds. 1, push it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make sure they're covered up with dirt. And we'll pop a wee bit of water in. Quite a while for a seed to grow, a lot longer than it did in the video. It takes the sun to rise and set, and after a little bit of time they'll start to shoot, and perhaps after a few moons dancing in the night sky we might start to see some little leaves forming, and perhaps in a few weeks or a month they'll grow taller and need that little cone or a stick to grab onto so it can grow even stronger. I'd love to see you guys draw your little peas growing and the different stages. It's like a little simple experiment, just like a biologist. I'm going to take mine outside now And I'm going to sing Zare's little sweet pea song and give it some sunshine. I'll see you later.